Let's start by heating the band gently. Use a blade and some alcohol to soften the glue. Carefully lift the frame. Insert a thin plastic film to help separate it. Done. The back cover is off. Let's move to the mainboard. Don't forget to unplug the display flex cable. The mainboard is held by screws. Remove them. Gently remove the mainboard from the case. The battery and mainboard are glued together. Use alcohol and plastic film to loosen the glue. Surprise! Some pins are still attached to the member. Use a small soldering iron to carefully unsolder the pins. If this video helped, subscribe, like, and leave a comment, please.